Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday and a good start to a new week. But I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, the weather is beautiful. It's a little chilly. It's in the lower 50s, but that's okay. It's not raining. What I want to make mention of, if you are new to the Home in the Sticks channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over, thank y'all for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord, it's in the chicken coop. I'm excited to show you. So give me a second, we finna walk over yonder, and that's what we finna do. All right, y'all, we in the chicken coop, and gracious almighty, let me show you this wheatgrass fodder system. Think it's grown some? Woo-wee. Look at there. A couple of folks have asked what was going on with the wheatgrass fodder system, so I'm gonna cut these hens loose on it. I've had quite a few days of sunshine, and this wheatgrass, I'm here to tell you, has almost tripled in size. So let's go on and move this barrier back and let these hens get after it and see what they do. I'm gonna call that a success. All right, I'm gonna have to say that these girls are really liking, and that one guy are really liking the wheatgrass fodder system that I put in my chicken coop. This has been a project that's been ongoing probably for about a month. I built the fodder system, or the rack, put it in place, sprouted some wheatgrass, and then actually broadcasted the wheatgrass into the box. And it took several weeks for this wheatgrass to grow, or actually come up to the hardware cloth and actually come up. Again, I had the barrier put around the box just so the hens would stay off of it, but it looks like it's working real good, and I'm gonna call this little project a success. And it's actually really healthy food for these hens and that rooster for them to eat on. And they will eat that joker down to where there's nothing that they can get after, and then I'll just keep watering this wheatgrass, this box, and that wheatgrass will regrow. I may even think on building another box to put over here. Maybe not as big as this one, maybe 2 foot. We'll just have to see. But I'm gonna say that there worked. And this is what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. It's gonna be a short video today, y'all. Have a bunch of stuff I need to get done. I actually have some grass I need to start cutting on. Lord mercy, this weekend I just been jammed up trying to get things done, and I have a few more things that I want to share with you and y'all in upcoming videos. But hey, gotta take advantage of all of the sunlight that I can get, and I wanted to share that with y'all. Again, I hope everybody is having a good Monday and a good start to a new week. I sure enough am, and I was happy to share that with you. Lord, I was just tickled pink, excited to do this video, because Lord, I wanted to show you. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff, really. With that being said, you know what's coming. Dan reference sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. Build your wheatgrass fodder system for your chicken coop. Your chickens will love you. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.